In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Webflow. Let's dive in and make sure your website's text looks perfectly aligned and professional. To start off, we'll need to navigate to Webflow. Open up your web browser and simply search for Webflow on Google. Once you see the results, click on the link that takes you to the Webflow website. If you don't have an account, you'll want to sign up. Otherwise, go ahead and log in. Follow the on-screen instructions. It's as simple as entering your email and password or just a few details for registration if you're new. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow Designer. Here, you can access all of your projects. Now let's get to the heart of justifying text on your web page. Look over your design and choose the text element that you want to justify. This might be a paragraph, a heading, or any other text block that you think needs a bit of alignment magic. Once selected, you're going to want to direct your attention to the right side of the Webflow Designer. Here, you'll find the Style panel, a crucial area for customizing the look and feel of your elements. Go ahead and open that up. Within this panel, scroll down until you reach the Typography section. Typography deals with everything related to text, from font choice to alignment. So, this is exactly where we need to be for our justification task. Now, search for the Align property within this section. It's typically represented by a series of icons showing different text alignments: left, center, right, and justify. The icon you want is the one for justification. It often looks like a block of text with evenly spaced lines, indicating that every line will be of equal length, giving that tidy, structured look you might be striving for. Click on this Justify icon. Once you do, you'll immediately see your text align itself neatly across the width of the container it's in. Congratulations! You've applied text justification to your Webflow project, giving it that polished, professional appearance we all aim for. If you need to make further adjustments or want to experiment with the other alignment options, feel free to do so. Each alignment icon will show you a preview of how your text looks, so you can choose the one that best fits your design's needs. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to justify text in Webflow, adding a touch of elegance to your website's design. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to explore more features to unlock your creativity on Webflow.